Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Today we're going to do a test shot on a quick mill Ventrano. This espresso machine came in after years of being in storage. We replaced the pump, we cleared all the jigglers, and we did some work on this E61 group head. Nice, solid pump pressure. Really nice shot coming out of this machine, and you can hear that new pump is really quiet. Nice shot of espresso, nice crema. Let's check the steam. Nice strong steam. Hot water. There we go, very nice. You can hear the machine asking to replenish the water. Thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.